Hey everybody, I am back after a little 2-week break from making videos on my Subaru. I'm back working on it. Not a whole lot has changed. I fabbed up this nice bash bar. It's not done yet. I've only tacked it. I still have to make another part. Over here I used an air needle scaler to remove all the sound editing, and then I just use a grinder to make it nice and clean, ready for paint. So I'm doing a little bit more of that here and here. But yeah, not a whole lot has changed. Progress has been pretty slow just currently, but it's starting to speed up. I built that bash bar yesterday. So basically I was gone because I had the Arizona video, and that was a ton of editing. And then I had the SAE video last week, and that was also a lot of editing, and I was traveling to make that video, so that's just could not make a video on this. So we're back every week, hopefully. So right now I'm just going to get into doing a little bit of work. I got my air needle scaler, and I'm going to be removing this sound editing back here, and then I'm going to use the grinder to clean this all up. So yeah, let's go. Went ahead and got all the sound editing out. I cleaned up this area. Now I got the vacuum. This thing, which is an air needle scaler, is the best tool you can get for removing sound editing. It's amazing. So anyway, I got it all out here, down in the spare tire hole in there. Now I just grab my shop vac and I'm just going to vacuum it. Then we're going to hit it with the grinder and the 40 grit sanding wheel to prep it for paint. Okay, so I just got done. This is a different day than when you last saw me, but I just got done grinding this whole shell, pretty much. I just ground all of the sound editing completely out, and you can see that the remnants of it is everywhere in my grinder there. So now I'm going to vacuum, and then I'm going to be done for the day because I have a lot of other work to do, and this took quite a while. So now I'm actually going to go ahead and, before I'm done today, all this dirt and stuff here, like there's a lot of dust here and there and there, I'm just going to go hit it with some simple green and stuff just to clean it. Alright, so that is where I'm ending today. Sorry this is a short and late upload. That's it for this episode. Please consider subscribing, give it a like if you like it, give it a dislike if you'd like to dislike it. And tell me why you disliked it, because I'd love to know. So, just a review, cleaned out the shell, and yeah. So, oh also, bash bar. This thing's pretty sweet. So yeah, this came out really nicely. I'm kind of all over the place this episode, sorry about that. Next episode, we will be doing some exciting stuff like building roll cage mounts and such. So if you'd like to watch that, then stay tuned. Definitely hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Peace.
This is going on.